What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a DIY using this planter that I bought because I like the plant in it. Unfortunately, the plant died and I'm stuck with this bowl that is of a Tuscan Spanish kind of vibe, and I want to revamp it. So I'm going to show you how quickly you can change something that doesn't go with your decor to something that does. So let's get started. So the first step will be to remove this vinyl sticker, and that will be pretty easy to do using a razor. You just want to be sure not to scratch the finish. So now that everything has dried overnight, I am noticing that there are no drainage holes in this planter. So I am going to go ahead and drill my own holes using a ceramic drill bit. Here you will see me doing that. Um, for most houseplants, probably 99.9%, you will definitely need some drainage holes. And it's pretty simple. You just take your time, allow the drill bit to do the work, and just be very patient. And that's pretty much it. You can drill as many holes as you like, whatever sizes you like, but most plants, 99.9%, definitely need to have some drainage so they can be healthy, which is probably why the plant that I purchased originally died. Go figure. So here I am adding the soil. You can choose whatever soil you like. So here you're just gonna fill up your planter halfway so you can adjust the plants, and then you add more soil later. Okay guys, so I have chosen Dieffenbachia. to put into this pot. And I have two nice growing green healthy plants, and I believe they're going to thrive in this pot and they're going to look really, really good in the end. So here I'm just massaging the root ball, which is just a common practice of mine because it stimulates the roots, and also it allows your roots to grow in your new container. You definitely want to have them nice and loose so they can grow properly. This is just a practice of mine. It's not something that you absolutely have to do, but I would recommend it if you want your plant to grow. This is actually looking really good to me, and I am loving this Dieffenbachia, which common name is dumb cane. It is a type of dumb cane, and this plant sap is actually poisonous, so be very careful when you are handling this plant. And please, afterwards, wash your hands because you don't want to get it in your eyes, nose, mouth, or on your pets, other plants, or children. Okay, so right now I'm just filling up the rest of the plants are with more soil so my new plant can be stable in its new home. And guys, I am so loving how this is looking. It just looks great, and I'm not even done yet, but this plant is so beautiful and it just really pops in this new ivory gloss vase.